Hey guys, today I'm going to be filming a video about Christmas. Yes. Today I'm going to be going to Target and I'm going to buy as much Christmas stuff as possible, and I'm basically going to be preparing for Christmas because it's November and that means Christmas time. So yeah, that's what this video is going to be. It's going to be very festive and fun. So yeah, I'm going to be going to Target and getting all the supplies, and I'm going to record everything, and yeah, and Phoebe's coming. Hi boys! Hi boys! Hi boys! Thank you to Belief for sponsoring this video. I appreciate it so much. Yeah. Also, I'm so stupid and I literally deleted the intro I filmed. I have to refilm it. That's why it's like not set up or anything. Like it just looks like this. Yeah. Anyways, but enjoy the video. The next clip I'll probably be at Target, so have fun at Target. Whoosh.
This is cool. They changed it.
Oh,
How fancy.
I got this, but I can't drink it. So, and I'm going to get Christmas stuff. I think I want to get for sure hot chocolate because we don't have any. You want to build a gingerbread house? These are the gingerbread houses. Kara's getting this one. Gingerbread house. Oh, Target. Oh, it's chilly over here. It's like it's really Christmas. Girl, you good? Now we should get decorations, right? There's not a lot of like Christmas food. There's peppermint creamer. Christmas cookies.
Oh, for these.
In the basket it goes. Yeah. Oh, I need a tiny one like that. Ooh, that one, I need it.
Wait, there's more.
But I need that one too. I need that one. That one's like trees.
Girl, you just said you needed this. I don't know.
Okay, but okay, so I'm gonna get this
There's
one.
this one too.
Wait,
What
hold
are
it.
these two?
I'll get this candle. Christmas candle. Yay! Okay, I want to get a stocking. I think I want to get this green one. No, I want the little tree. The little tree is just speaking to me. It's like so fake and amazing. Yup. Basket looking real festive.
This is the one.
But y'all know about that.
This is.
I think I'm gonna get one of these throws. Red or blue?
I like the blue one.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah.
Walking in a winter wonderland.
These are like battery operated.
I think I need more of the white lights. Look at all the stockings. Yeah, we got a stocking for Phoebe, and then what? Now? Yeah, I need more lights. I need the white cords though. These twinkle. They twinkle. I need the twinkle ones.
I guess there's more.
I'm gonna get the twinkle ones. This is the fit, by the way. Kara's in the back. She was supposed to help me film this video and she just is not cutting it. Where is she? She's not even there. Kara. We're just now leaving Target. I'm going to go home and pee and then give you guys a haul of what I got, and then we'll put everything together and make a Christmas day of this November day. We're in the Cane's drive-thru and Kara wants to play sad music. Does she know it's Christmas? Kara, do you know it's Christmas? Hey guys, so I'm gonna stop for a second from whatever part of the video I'm on. I don't know what part is gonna be on when I get to this part. But speaking of Christmas and the holidays and everything, this video is sponsored by Belief, which is a skincare brand that I love. They're at Sephora. I wanted to talk about this holiday set from Belief. It's the Belief Moisture Festival set and it's sold at Sephora. It looks like this. It's so cute. Oh my god, it's so weird because it's reflective on the side and I see my face. That's my bad side. I'm not pretty and I'm ugly too. Anyways, that distracted me so much. It shouldn't have. My attention span does not exist. Sorry, that's so bad. But anyways, this is their holiday set and it's super great. It has a full-size moisturizer, which is their True Cream Moisturizing Balm, which is like a staple from them. I have it and I've used it, and it's really, really good, especially for dry skin. So it comes with a full-size moisturizer, Deluxe Mini Aqua Balm Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm, the Deluxe Mini Aqua Balm Hydrating Toner, and the Deluxe Mini Moisturizing Eye Balm. And it looks like this. I showed y'all the front, little snowman on it. It's so cute. But it looks like this on the inside. So again, it's a full size of the moisturizer, and then the rest are Deluxe Mini sizes. What's really good about this is that you get to try all of the Deluxe Minis for the same price as you would as one Moisture Balm, which is the full size, again, as I've mentioned. Because the full size of the True Cream Moisturizing Balm is the same price as this whole entire thing, so that's why it's such a good deal. I'm gonna take my makeup off with the Makeup Remover Balm. I just used the Makeup Remover Balm and then I washed my face, and now I look like this. So as I'm putting this toner on, I'm going to talk about the moisturizer. So it's ideal for dry skin, and I have super, super, super dry skin, especially with it being winter. It's going to be super dry. So the texture is really, really smooth. It's really, really, really soothing on the skin. And it helps with dullness and dryness and everything. You guys can buy the Belief Moisture Festival set at Sephora with the link in my description. And thank you again to Belief for sponsoring this video. I appreciate it so much, and I'm so excited about these products. But yeah, that's it for this part of the video. Back to the rest of it. Hey, time for a haul! Christmas haul! Okay, so the first thing I got is a gingerbread house. And then I got this pillow. I got this blanket. Hot chocolate, Christmas cookies to make with Cara tonight. A stocking. I got Christmas lights. They twinkle, they twinkle. And I got these pajamas, which I will change into after I eat. Wait on it. Baby, stop, look at what you did. This stocking holder. A mini Christmas tree. A candle and 2 brushes. So yeah, I'm gonna transform my room soon into a Christmas wonderland, but I'm going to eat first, so I'll get back with y'all on that. I'll be back in like in an instant, and that's where you go to the next one, next clip again. Okay, this is my room before I add anything Christmassy to it. It's pretty boring right now, but it's gonna be very Christmassy very, very soon. Now I'm gonna change my outfit. 1, 2, yeah! I got PJs on! Justin Bieber's Christmas album is on repeat. Let's go, bright girl, I'll be right there. Baby, you deserve everything you want. It's your night, baby, cause you're the reason to be jolly. Okay, we're making a gingerbread house because my room is all Christmassy. It said to knead this for 2 minutes, so that's what I'm doing.
Why do you have to knead it?
It said.
I know.
Yup.
And then at the bottom of this. But I don't know why.
That's good.
Why did you pick it out? Roof helper. Does anything.
Fancy toddlers.
Sandwiches. Rachel.
Yuck.
What happened? I left you alone for 4 seconds.
It's for decorations, snow. Oh, why didn't you?
I don't know what this is.
A
Rachel,
snack. Where are we gonna do the roof?
Where or when?
When? What do you mean where? I know where a roof goes, Kara.
Roof is always the part that gets people.
The roof is always the part that gets people. This one's gonna work, I feel it. I feel it in my bones. How do people make these pretty? Like, how do they make them stand up? First of all, And then how do they make them pretty?
The roof kind of looks sturdy and good. Look. Rachel, maybe the roof helper will help.
I don't think so. The way you're about to ruin the whole entire thing.
It helps the roof stay on.
It's me and my friend.
I want gumdrops.
Raindrops
on roses. Ah!
And whiskers on little kittens.
I like those. I don't know what we're supposed to do with the peppermints.
Girl, you're still thinking about the gingerbread house.
Yeah. Rachel, what did you do?
I don't know.
Wait, take the helper off. I'm gonna write something for Santa.
Talk?
No, I'm here for cookies.
Look at the roof. Yup. Yup.
You
Yup.
didn't even stop it.
Girl, I don't care. I completely didn't film an outro for this, so I'm filming it right now on my phone. It's gonna be really short and sweet because I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, I'm really sorry. Have a nice day. Regardless, have a nice day. Even if you didn't like it, if you did like it, whatever. Like, have an amazing day regardless. Anyways, so yeah. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas. Yeah.